I don't know. I'm not very practical. I don't like painting. I'm always too busy. I don't really have time today. I have a lunch appointment at 1 o'clock. It's impossible.
Can we do it for you?
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Of course we're sure.
What about the colour?
Oh, I don't know. Something nice.
Now don't worry. You go out, enjoy your lunch, and leave it with us.
Thank you.
Okay.